We will come out to inspect your property personally and then give you an honest assessment, look you right in the eye, and recommend what is needed for your property to fit within your budget. And this is how we've become a one-stop shop for all of your exterior improvement needs.
One Call Restore. Is your property's roof old, worn out, or giving you problems? Well, there's an 82% chance you don't need to replace it. Our proven 10 to 20-year roof coating systems add value to your building at less than half the cost of a roof replacement. Don't replace your commercial roof, repair and renew it. With One Call Restore, the buck stops here.
Window Depot USA of North Jersey. We understand that siding, windows, and doors are more than just functional components of your property. Our windows are the ultimate investment for energy efficiency and curb appeal. Window Depot, house of the most energy efficient window in America.
Stop guessing and patching. It's maintenance, not just replacement. Call the experts at Roof4Roof.